Hi everyone! Today we're going to unbox our Labubu Have a Seat, the B2. So this is the one that I bought from this person when I went to the new Pop Mart in Melbourne. When we were queuing on the line, he already had this on hand that he bought from Melbourne Central. He got 3 boxes and he sold this for me for $260. And we will gonna unbox this and hoping we can get a secret on this box. So this one comes from Melbourne Central Pop Mart. So hopefully we can get something special on this box. And if not, that's fine. And I will have all my Labubus B1, B2, B3 completed. So, and then I bought some clothes for them to wear. And then I can display them on my glass cabinet. Okay. So exciting. So, can't wait. Hopefully we can get something special on this box. Because it's coming from Melbourne Central Pop Mart. Alright. So, I'm gonna open this one. Okay, we will start unboxing. So, I'm gonna start from this, on the center. And it's original because it's got this QR code. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open on the bottom. I think I have to open on that. Okay, let's see what we got. Looking. Oh, it's Dada. Okay, the second box. I'll just have to strip it here. Very hard to open. On the bottom. So the second one is so this is I think it's Sissy. We got Sissy. And the second box. Okay, the third box. It's Dada. Dada. And the fourth box. First box is it's Hehe. Hehe. So we got Dada, CZ, and Baba. That's Baba. This one is Baba. It's Baba. The fifth box. Please give me the good one. It's CC. We got CC. I don't think we can get the secret. So the last one, our sixth box is I don't think we got the secret. This is Kiki. Yes, I knew it. It's Kiki. Kiki. So no secret on this box. Okay? And then now I'm gonna dress them and I'll show you their clothes later. Alright, they're all dressed up. That's Dada. This one is Zizi and Baba, and I got Sisi on the king outfit, and Hehe like a Mew Mew outfit. And QQ on a green outfit, jumpsuit. It's cute. And Dada on her Chinese outfit with the flowery. So here they are. All complete, but no secret.